Children, we are taking zinc dust in a test tube. Here we'll react this zinc dust with some dilute acid. We have taken dilute sulfuric acid over here. When zinc dust reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is produced. It is a colorless, odorless gas, and when it mixes with air, it burns with a pop sound. Here I am going to show you how the sound is produced when the hand is removed from the test tube. Okay, this is the pop sound of hydrogen.